Hello my friends and welcome back. In this video we are going to be doing a little bit of feature development on Komorebi, the tiling window manager for Windows. I saw this feature request come in on the issue tracker. Corey Track has asked for a border color to identify Monocle windows. So right now you can have a regular border color like this one we have here. You can have a different border color for stacked windows. So I don't stack that often, so let's see if this works. Okay, cool. So now this green border represents a stacked or a stack of windows, so I can go backwards and forwards inside this stack, and this green border that I've selected lets me know that while these two containers only have a single application, this container has multiple windows of an application, or indeed multiple applications. So I can split this back out. And we don't need this window, so we can go ahead and close that. Now, it has been a hot minute since I did any real feature development on Komorebi, so I too will have to refresh my memory. So, usually when I want to implement a new command that is similar to a previous command, I will come into the process command file. And in here, I will look for the similarly named command. So in our case, that would be active window border color. So we'll look for active window border color. Right, so here we are, active window border color, and we have window kind, which gets passed here. So let's take a look inside window kind. This is an enum which so far contains single and stack. So why don't we add monocle here, because we know we're going to need that. And let's head back here. This should trigger some compile errors now. We'll do the quick version with cargo check. We can already see the red squigglies here. So we don't know what we're going to do yet with this new window kind. But we will add it in here to make Clippy happy. So we are setting some values. Window border color single here. Border color current. Border color stack. So why don't we add a new border color monocle and head back. Something has happened. My keyboard is not responding. No, IntelliJ is not responding. Oh, it's back. Okay. So instead of border color stack, we will update border color monocle here. Okay, pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's see if this now compiles. It does compile. So I think that we can add this as a flag to the active window border color command. That will be in Komorebi C. So we'll go active window border color. So you want to go to the implementation. So I think that was here. So these are the arguments that it takes. It takes a window kind, and it takes RGB. I think we might actually have done the biggest part of this. Let's see. So we can do cargo run path Komorebi C dash dash active window border. Oh, formatting it properly would help. Help. Maybe it's not path. Maybe it's bin. Yeah, because that is a binary. Okay. So we have down here, the options are window kind, it defaults to single. The possible values are single, stack, and monocle now. And that is because we added to this window kind enum here. So we can store our value, but we still need to use that value at the right time. So I think we need to add something here. So when we receive a message to go to Monocle, toggle Monocle, I think is used most often. Actually, what are the args? I don't even know. Maybe it doesn't have args. No, it's just a toggle. Okay. So, actually, maybe we don't want to do it here. Let's see. We can come back to this. A little bit stumped. Let's see where else border color current is used. Let's open up these usages down here. So process command we've already seen. Process event. So this is border related code. So if we're already checking if there is a monocle container, and we're updating the target window. So, I think we want something like target window is monocle. We'll default that to false. Here we can set target window is monocle to true. And we can change this to an else if and add an if here. If target window is monocle, right, then we want to set the current border color to border color monocle. Otherwise, if it's not monocle and it is a stack of containers, then we want to set it to the stack color. Otherwise, we want to set it to the single color. Now, I might be crazy, but I think that might be it. Just goes to show you do not have to be a particularly good programmer to to contribute to this project. So I'm going to go ahead and stop. I'm going to just run. If you haven't seen before, Komorebi has a just file, which is like a make file, but a bit more ergonomic. And this just run will install Komorebi C for us, so we always have the latest version for any commands that we're trying to run, and then it will run Komorebi. And then you can run with different profiles like just warn to have warn level logs, info level logs, debug, trace, and deadlock mode as well. I haven't used that for a while. Okay. So we need an RGB color. RGB colors. Let's just get a random RGB color from here that we haven't used before. This one. Okay, we're gonna run something like this. We're gonna change this to Monocle, and we're gonna change this to 255 51 153. So now, that is not what I thought it would do. No, that is not what I thought it would do. Okay. Let's try again. So maybe we do need something here because it's responding to a command, right? So we'll do toggle monocle, and let's say we wanna load the value of this. Let current equals this, and let's load it here. So that's the current color, and we'll get the monocle color as well. So if current equals monocle, then let's set it to single. I mean, it could be a stack, but let's just try and get the simplest case working. Otherwise, it should be the monocle color. Okay, otherwise, monocle. And then we can get rid of this one. Okay, let's try that. I may have to run this command again because it's not part of the configuration yet. Compiling away, good. So let's see if this is received successfully. Yes, it is. So now, yay, we have our monocle color. Oh, that's pretty awesome. I like that. And then I can see that that is a monocle as opposed to a single window on the screen. Damn, that is very cool. I like it. All right, let's. Ooh, very, very nice. Very nice. All right, so let's make sure all this is formatted properly and see if Clippy has picked up on anything that we need to fix. Okay. So we added the monocle. We added the atomic unsigned 32-bit integer. We use it here. We set it here. We we update this on the toggle here. Okay. And then here, I think it's worth keeping this because if ever monocle mode is triggered programmatically through an event, we still want it to be the correct color, right? So we'll add this in. And hey, that is it. I don't think there are actually any changes to the README. It's just yeah, it's just formatting. But that being said, border color, we should add this here. If you want a different color for windows in monocle mode, monocle. Okay, and you know what, why don't we just go ahead and add that here as well. And we'll go with the same color since it's the one we used in this video. 153. And this will be monocle. Perfect. All right, so let us. Oh, of course I quit it. Let's see. Start. Oh, let's install this. Install for ourselves. So I never really am using the versions from Scoop or Winget just because I'm iterating on this so often. I am always running a compiled binary locally. Okay. It just takes a while. I have a feeling the compilation takes longer when I have OBS running. All right, that's cool. I'm gonna start this up. Okay. Oh. Oh, it's because I don't have this. Ooh, okay, there's something we kind of missed. Let me just add that quickly. So, okay, if we don't explicitly set this color, we don't want that nasty invisible border, semi-visible border. So if we go back to active window, is it in this file? No, this is the events file. Active window border color. Active window. Damn, that looks so good. It looks. Oh, it just looks great. All right, so what I want to do is I want to have like a fallback, right? So, uh, so we'll make this mutable, and we'll say if monocle is 0, because 0 is like the default value that we gave it, right? Yeah. If that default value is 0, then let's fall back to the single border color. Actually, wait, no, because we're still loading it. Okay, but okay, we'll do it from here. So we'll do ordering. Okay, yeah. So if or how about we only do this if it is set? Then we don't have to worry about setting the right color. We just won't change the color if we don't have a unique monocle color. I think we need to do the same thing here. So we'll get the stack. And if stack is not 0, then we'll load the stack. And this one I think is fine because it's always going to load the single. Okay. So now the test of this will be if I do monocle now, just info. Okay. So now, okay, that stays blue. That's good. And so if I were to stack these two, they would get the green. I'll unstack this. So we'll try the same thing here as well. We're gonna have to reload this, in fact. I don't want that rule here just yet. Here we go. So if I were to stack these, okay, they default to the single border color. If a Stack border color has not been explicitly set. If I explicitly set a stack color, yeah, that comes in now. That ain't right though. Yeah, that ain't right. What about this? That is right. What is up with the stacks? Oh, now it is working. Weird. Okay, I'm good with that. I'm sure people will use this more than I, and they will figure out the bugs, and they'll open up bug tickets. So let's just reformat everything. Damn, that's such a good color. It's so. It just reminds me of a vaporwave song. Just like the whole vibe. Oh, it's so good. I really like it. All right, so we're gonna commit this feature window manager. Let's call it add border color for Monocle. This commit adds a new window kind to allow the user to set a unique color to identify when a window container in Monocle mode is active. Yeah. No breaking changes. It does impact an open issue. It resolves 404. Is it resolve? Oof, I always forget the convention that I use. Resolve, yes. It is resolve imperative, not resolves. Okay. Oh wait, no, I just want to clean up the commit first. There we go. And we'll push that. And our friend Corey Track will hopefully be able to use this soon. So this is pushed to the master branch, which means it is not in this release here, which is what you install from Scoop or from Winget. This feature will be in the next release, 0.1.16. That is coming soon, TM, but hopefully in May. I would like to release that. Before I wrap up this video, I want to direct your attention to the sponsor page for this project. If you are an individual user of this software and you find it to be mind-blowingly amazing, and it's just changed your entire Windows experience, consider sponsoring this project on GitHub. Even $1 a month, it makes a big difference to me. If you are using this software in your professional work environment, if you know other engineers at your company are using this, it's worth reaching out to somebody like your engineering manager, your VP of engineering, even your CTO, and explaining the impact that it has on your day-to-day work and suggesting that, you know, this is a worthwhile project to sponsor in the context of this company. That is it for this video. I hope this was easy enough to follow. If it wasn't, give me some feedback about what could make it easier to follow. But my hope is that by making these videos, more and more people will begin to feel more and more comfortable making changes to the Komorebi codebase, whether that is contributing new features or fixing bugs. And there are plenty of bugs that have been reported that could use some TLC. Well, that is everything for this time. I hope you all have a very nice day.